Hello students, we are done with the nervous tissue in detail. We have seen the conduction of nerve impulse, we have seen what happens at a synapse, we have seen the types of neuroglial cells, and we are completely done with the nervous tissue part of this chapter, nervous control and coordination. Today we are going to start with the human nervous system. Now the human nervous system is going to be made up of nervous tissue, that is neurons and neuroglial cells. This we have seen in detail. Let us see which organs are involved and how do they communicate with each other to bring about these coordinated and these fast activities in the body that we do every day, every minute. So these nerves are not resting. Every day, every minute they are working. You just give an order and the body is going to work. All right. So the human nervous system, it is made up of it will be divided into the brain and the spinal cord. ये central चीज होगी. All right. There's going to be one boss over here. There's going to be one central control over here. This central control will form the central nervous system. The human nervous system can be divided broadly into the central nervous system, and can be divided into the peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system. Now, what do we mean by central and what do we mean by peripheral? This is central. This pen is the central controller of the body. It's in the center of the body. मैं location से भी बताऊंगी कि ये जो structures हैं वो center में located हैं body के, central nervous system के. And all these things which will come to the center, these my fingers, all these fingers which are coming to the center, they are bringing the information to the central nervous system. The central nervous system is going to process this information and send it out. So now I am taking my other hand. ये fingers लेके आ रही थी information. They are bringing the stimulus. They are bringing the information to the central nervous system. Central nervous system is going to process it. That information is going to be processed कि क्या करना है ये stimulus का, and again the effector organs are going to be send a signal from the brain. So ये लेके आ रही थी, ये लेके जा रही है. Central nervous system is going to be the boss. Every stimulus which the body receives, तो ये periphery से आ रही है. Stimulus periphery से आ रही है. It can be from my skin in my hands, skin on my legs, it can be from my eyes, can be from my ears, can be from my nose, can be from my tongue. All my sensory organs can send this stimulus once they have perceived the stimulus. So sensory organs से ये stimulus आएगी central nervous system के पास. Central nervous system में processing होगा इस stimulus का, and then again the central nervous system is going to send its order. Central nervous system is going to send its order again through this peripheral nervous system to the respective part of the body जिसमें action करना है. So central nervous system is the center, it is the control, and it is the one which is going to give the command. It's going to have the control and command of the body. The central nervous system is made up of brain and spinal cord. Central nervous system is made up of the brain and the spinal cord. Let us quickly brush up the location of the brain and the spinal cord. You know that the brain is located in the cranium, जिसको brain box भी बोलते हैं. We have all seen that the brain is located inside the brain box, that is also called the cranium. We have seen the bones which form the roof of the cranium and which form the base of the cranium or the floor of the cranium, जिसके बीच में brain box located रहता है. Do you remember frontal, parietal, occipital in one line and the temporals from the side? They will be forming the roof of the cranium, and from below you will have the sphenoid and the ethmoid bones forming the cranium, that is the brain box. And occipital bones में एक foramen रहता है जिसके through brain as spinal cord it continues from posteriorly. Do you remember this? Occipital bone में एक foramen रहता है. The name of the foramen is foramen magnum. Foramen magnum के through spinal cord it is going to leave from the brain. Where is the spinal cord going to be present in the body? I'm sure you know that the spinal cord is going to be present in the dorsal aspect of the body and it will be passing through the vertebral foramen. सारे vertebral stacks मिलके एक foramen बनाते हैं जिससे spinal cord pass होता है. We have seen this. So this is my brain. This becomes my brain. All right. And if this is the dorsal aspect, then this is my spinal cord. This is my brain, and if this is the dorsal aspect, then this is my spinal cord. So we have seen about the spinal cord, we have seen about the brain. We are going to see more detail about what they are made up of. But the brain, it is located in the cranium, that is the brain box. We have seen the bones which make up the cranium. Spinal cord ka location हमको पता है, it is going to be located dorsally in the midline of the body and vertebral foramen के through pass करेगा spinal cord. All the vertebrae, they are going to have a foramen posteriorly जो मिलके एक बड़ा vertebral canal बनाते हैं जिसके through spinal cord pass करता है. So this brain and this spinal cord, they make up my central nervous system. This is my brain and this is my spinal cord. So this makes up my central nervous system. The brain as well as the spinal cord, this makes up my central nervous system. Having said that the central nervous system will be responsible for the control and command, that means यहाँ पे पूरी processing होगी. That means सारी information जो भी sense organs receive करेंगे, perceive करेंगे, वो लेके आएंगे spinal cord के पास या तो brain के पास. All the information is going to come to the spinal cord and the brain for processing. After the information is processed, the action which is to be taken, that order is going to be sent by the brain and spinal cord to respective muscle or gland or whichever part of the body has to do the action to that stimulus. So central nervous system is going to be the main control and coordination. ये हमारी central assembly है. This is going to send its orders to all the body parts. But when is it going to send orders? It is going to send orders in response to stimulus. It is going to send orders in response to the functioning of the various body parts. So जो भी यहाँ पे response लेके आएगा, जो भी nerves यहाँ पे response लेके आएगी, now there will be nerves which will be coming. They will be bringing the response to the spinal cord. They will be bringing the response to the spinal cord. See, these nerves, they will be bringing the response to the spinal cord. All right, and they will also be bringing it to the brain. Brain say, okay, let me do this. They are bringing it to the brain. So these nerves which are bringing it to the brain and the spinal cord, and also now the spinal cord is going to send, जो लेके आ रहा है information brain और spinal cord के पास, वो होगी sensory nerves, वो होगी efferent nerves. We have seen sensory nerves, efferent nerves. So peripheral nervous system will be divided. The peripheral nervous system will be divided into sensory or the efferent. Sensory or the efferent will be the ones which are bringing the stimulus to the spinal cord and the brain, and they will be divided into motor or efferent. Motor or efferent will be the ones which will be taking it to the effector organs. So ये blue color का मेरा central nervous system है और ये red color की nerves. The peripheral nervous system will be made up of nerves. Peripheral nervous system will be made up of nerves. These nerves will be either sensory or motor. Sensory will be taking the stimulus. They will be bringing information to brain and spinal cord. To brain and spinal cord. Whereas motor will be taking back the order, or the action which is to be performed, which is to be performed from brain and spinal cord to effector organ. So efferent nerves, we have seen, they will bring information to brain and spinal cord from the sensory organs. The efferent nerves, they are going to take back the order, they are going to take back what activity is to be done from the brain to the effector organ. You have to be careful of these words over here, from brain to the effector organ, and this is going to bring to the brain and the spinal cord from the effector organs. Peripheral nervous system is going to be made up of these nerves. I have my hands over here. यहाँ पे मेरे hands रहेंगे. Okay. There are hands over here. So these nerves, they are going to bring the information. Here you will have the legs. So all in your body, these nerves will be innervating everywhere in the body, and they will be bringing the information to each and every place in the body. The brain and the spinal cord, they will be receiving information from the skin of the hand. They will be receiving information from the eyes, from the ears, from the nose, from the tongue, from the skin. All these will be the sensory organs which will be sending information, and in return the brain and the spinal cord is going to send the signal back what is going to be done, or what is to be done of the stimulus which is received. So central nervous system में brain और spinal cord आएगा. Peripheral nervous system में ये सारी peripheral nerves आएगी. These peripheral nerves, they can be sensory, they can be motor. We have seen कि sensory nerves कौन सी होगी और motor nerves कौन सी होगी. Just make a note of all this and just do this rough diagram. Just do the brain and the spinal cord. Then you can show the nerves which are coming out from the spinal cord or which are entering, and from the brain. So these peripheral nerves, they can be sensory or they can be motor or they can be mixed, means they will carry sensory and motor impulse both. Okay, देखो एक बड़ा अगर nerve bundle है मेरे पास, ये एक बड़ी nerve है, and it's going to be made up of bundles of nerve fibers. We have seen these, fasciculus. एक बड़ी nerve है, तो इसमें सारी nerves, सारे न्यूरॉन्स इसमें या तो सेंसरी हो सकते हैं. अगर सारे न्यूरॉन्स सेंसरी हैं तो ये हो जाएगी सेंसरी नर्व. अगर इसमें सारे न्यूरॉन्स मोटर न्यूरॉन्स हैं, मींस लेके आ रहे हैं इफेक्ट को वापस, तो ये हो जाएगी मोटर नर्व. अगर इसमें सेंसरी और मोटर न्यूरॉन्स दोनों प्रेजेंट हैं तो ये हो जाएगी मेरी मिक्स्ड नर्व. So one big nerve can be purely sensory, can be purely motor, and can be a mixed nerve when it carries both the sensory and the motor neurons. See, the nerve can be only sensory when it is carrying only the sensory neurons, can be only motor when it is carrying only the motor nerves, and can be mixed when it is carrying both sensory plus motor neurons. So it will be a mixed nerve. Now these nerves, the peripheral nerves, can be divided again into cranial and spinal nerves. ब्रेन के पास जो भी नर्व्स आएगी, जो भी नर्व्स ब्रेन से सिग्नल लेके जाएगी वापस, जो भी आएगी, because they are entering the cranium, the brain is inside the cranium. So peripheral nerves, I can divide it again into cranial nerves, and spinal cord पे जो आएगी will be the spinal nerve. See, understand the terminology. These peripheral nerves which are entering the brain, they are bringing the stimulus to the brain, which are leaving from the brain will be the cranial nerves because they are entering the cranium. The brain is inside the cranium. So you have cranial nerves, and the nerves which are coming to the spinal cord and going back from the spinal cord will be the spinal nerves. So these peripheral nerves, they can be divided into cranial nerves and spinal nerves. You need to know the number. There are around 12 pairs of cranial nerves in the body, 12 pairs, and spinal nerves are 31 pairs. So cranial nerves 12 pairs हैं, spinal nerves 31 pairs हैं. If you want to exactly write the number, this is going to be 24 and this is going to be 62. 31 into 2 because we are saying pairs. So 31 pairs of spinal nerves are there. So total will be 62. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. So total will be 24. Total will be 24. And now if you want to give me the total number of nerves, the peripheral nerves, you will have to add 62 with 24. 62 plus 24 को ऐड करेंगे तो मेरे पास टोटल नर्व्स जो हैं पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम में मुझे वो मिलेगा. इट इज गोइंग टू बी 86. इट्स गोइंग टू बी 86. सी इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द कैलकुलेशन की 86 हमको कैसे मिल रहा है. ऑलराइट, 12 pairs of cranial nerves. So since it is 12 pairs, it is going to be 24. Spinal nerves 31 pairs हैं. Since it is 31 pairs, it is going to be 62 in total number. So total number of peripheral nerves are going to be 62 plus 24, that is 86. And if I ask you the total pairs of peripheral nerves, if I ask you the total pairs of peripheral nerves, वो हो जाएगा 31 plus 12. So 31 plus 12 is going to give you the total pairs. Pairs में अगर total लिखना है तो it's going to be 31 plus 12. Alright, so that is going to be 43. That is going to be 43 pairs of peripheral nerves in the body. Add one more point over here. The cranial nerves, they can be mixed, motor and sensory, all three. Cranial nerves जो हैं वो sensory भी हो सकती हैं, motor भी हो सकती हैं, mixed भी हो सकती हैं. I have told you what a sensory nerve is, what a motor nerve is, and what a mixed nerve is. So cranial nerves are going to be of all these three types. Cranial nerves, they can be sensory, can be motor, can be mixed. But the spinal nerves are always mixed nerves. The spinal nerves are always mixed nerves. The cranial nerves can be purely sensory, can be purely motor, and can be mixed type of nerves. So cranium में तीनों type के nerves मिल सकते हैं, sensory, motor, mixed, MCQ, whereas the spinal nerves will always be mixed nerves. So many MCQs on the chart now. Just see, I'm telling you all the MCQs. Just go through them on the board. The human nervous system will be divided into central and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system का काम होगा पूरा control और coordinate करने का और command देने का. The central nervous system will be divided into brain and spinal cord. Means brain and spinal cord will be the nervous organs which will be taking care of control and command MCQ. Brain is located in the cranium, that is the brain box. Spinal cord is dorsally present in the midline of the body. It passes through the vertebral canal. Alright, vertebral foramen से pass करेगा वो. The spinal cord and the brain together are going to take care of the control and command of the body. Now, this is the central nervous system. This is going to respond in terms of any stimulus which is going to come. ये stimulus आएगी हमारे sense organs से, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, from the hands, from the legs, from the skin all over the body, from our sense organs. Whenever they will see something, they will bring the information to the central nervous system. So ये काम करेगा peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system is going to be made up of nerves जो sensory होगी और motor होगी. Alright. So sensory will be bringing the information to the brain. Brain के पास आने वाली information efferent. A for efferent, A for आने वाली. Brain और spinal cord में ये information की processing होगी and they are going to send back the signal to the effector organ जिसको effect दिखाना है, जिसको function करना है in response to that stimulus. So brain और spinal cord से वापस लेके जाने वाली होंगी motor, okay, motor और efferent neurons और nerves. Efferent effect दिखाने वाली, E for effect, E for efferent, they will be motor, they will be taking back the order from the brain and spinal cord to the particular effector organ. Now a nerve can be purely sensory. Purely sensory means एक बड़ी nerve के अंदर जितनी भी छोटे छोटे nerve fibers हैं वो सारे sensory हैं. Can be purely motor means जितने भी सारे nerve fibers हैं वो सारे motor हैं. And when both will be present, it will be a mixed nerve. Now the cranial nerves will be the nerves which are coming out from the cranium. So cranium means जो brain से आ रही हैं और brain के पास जा रही हैं. Because they are penetrating the cranium to go to the brain, they are called the cranial nerves. These cranial nerves are 12 pairs in the body. 12 pairs है तो इसका total number 24 है MCQ. Alright, and these can be of all the three types, sensory, motor and mixed. Whereas the spinal nerves are the nerves which are coming to the spinal cord and going back from the spinal cord. So these are 31 pairs in the human body. The total number is 62 because we are saying 31 pairs. The total number will be 62 and these are all mixed nerves. That means they will be sensory as well as motor. If you want to see the total number of nerves in the peripheral nervous system, it goes to 62 plus 24 MCQ, that is 86. And if you want to see it in the total pairs, it becomes 31 pairs plus 12 pairs. So that is going to be 43. All these are MCQs from this part of the human nervous system. Let's move further in the classification now. Let us go further in the classification. We have seen human nervous system divided into central and peripheral. Central nervous system comprises of brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system will be divided into sensory or the motor nerves. Motor are the ones which are bringing the impulse, which are bringing the response from the brain and the spinal cord to regulate certain organs, certain muscles, certain glands of the body. So ये जो motor nerves आती हैं peripheral nervous system से, they can again be divided into two types. The first will be somatic nervous system, and the second will be autonomous nervous system. Somatic nervous system and autonomous nervous system. Somatic means one which is bringing the signal for your voluntary body activities. Soma means body. So body को move कराने के लिए जो motor nerves वापस आ रही है, ये आएगी skeletal muscles के पास. Skeletal muscles. This will normally be the willful activity of the body. Willful activity के साथ concerned रहेंगे. Somatic nervous system. These will be voluntary. Willful activity I have written. Skeletal muscles पे आएगी, ये सोमा की मूवमेंट कराएगी सोमैटिक. सोमा पे आके इफेक्ट देगी सोमैटिक. So the somatic nervous system will be bringing the signal. These motor nerves जो somatic nervous system में divide होगी, इनको हम इसीलिए somatic में divide कर रहे हैं because they are bringing the signal to the skeletal muscle. Important MCQ. These will be concerned with the willful activity of the body, voluntary activity of the body. Alright, आप अपनी मर्जी से करते हो वो activity जब आती है, या you are forced to do that action. जैसे मेरे पीछे dog आ गया, stimulus गया, I have to run, I have no other option. Alright, I am doing that body. But जब मैं running कर रही हूँ, मैं willfully कर रही हूँ. So this will be concerned with the activity of the skeletal muscle. ये somatic nervous system होगा. Autonomous nervous system will be concerned with the involuntary activities of the body, not in your hand. ये involuntary रहेंगे और ये smooth muscles पे काम करेंगे. Smooth muscles. They will be working on the smooth muscles. How do you remember it? ये वो activities रहेगी जो automatically होंगी body में. When I am running, automatically my heart rate is going to increase, my respiratory rate is going to increase, मेरा blood circulation increase होगा. ये सब automatically होगा. Without even me noticing it, it's going to happen automatically. So autonomous nervous system. हम autonomous nervous system को याद रखते हैं autonomic activities. खुद ही autonomic या automatic. Automatically body में ये activities हो जाती हैं. So these will be going to the smooth muscles of the various glands ऑलराइट, ये अंदर के स्मूथ मसल्स पे जाएंगे, वेरियस ऑर्गन्स के, वेरियस ग्लैंड्स के, एंड द एक्टिविटी विल हैपन. दिस विल बी इनवॉलेंट्री, इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू. स्मूथ मसल, इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू. सोमैटिक नर्वस सिस्टम, ये आपकी वॉलेंटरी एक्टिविटीज रहेगी, ये आपकी बॉडी की मूवमेंट कराएगी, मूवमेंट्स विच यू कैन नोटिस. So these will be concerned with the skeletal muscle. So somatic आएगी skeletal muscle को, autonomic nervous system वाली nerves आएगी smooth muscle को. So one will be the voluntary control, other will be the involuntary control, but both of these are going to help you perform an activity. They are going to help you complete a task. They are going to help you perform a task. हमको ये तो पता ही है कि मोटर नर्व्स, हमको ये तो पता ही है कि मोटर नर्व्स सीएनएस से इफेक्टर ऑर्गन के पास आएगी. सीएनएस टू इफेक्टर ऑर्गन. ऑलराइट, दे आर गोइंग टू कम फ्रॉम द सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम टू द इफेक्टर ऑर्गन. They are going to bring the response. Central nervous system means the brain and the spinal cord. So somatic nervous system में CNS से skeletal muscle के पास आएंगे nerves. Whereas autonomic nervous system में CNS से smooth muscle or any involuntary gland. You know that when we are saying motor, it is going to come from the CNS to the effector organ. So the effector organ, if it is a skeletal muscle, it will be somatic nervous system. If the effector organ is a smooth muscle, it is going to be autonomic nervous system. Last in the classification now, autonomous nervous system is again divided. The autonomic nervous system, it is again divided into one, the sympathetic nervous system, sympathetic, and two, the parasympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic. Autonomic nervous system is again divided into sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. एक ही वर्ड में बताती हूँ कि सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम क्या करता है और पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम क्या करता है. I'll just tell you in one word and you will understand. सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम ये फाइट और फ्लाइट में बॉडी को प्रिपेयर करेगा. फाइट एंड फ्लाइट मीन्स मैंने डॉग देखा, मेरे पीछे डॉग लगा है, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट रनिंग. तो इंटरनली मेरी बॉडी का जो हार्ट बीट मेंटेन होगा, मेरे बाकी के सारे वाइटल ऑर्गन्स मेंटेन होंगे. फाइट और फ्लाइट मैकेनिज्म में, फाइट और फ्लाइट रिएक्शन में आई एम गोइंग टू रन अवे फ्रॉम दैट सिचुएशन और आई एम गोइंग टू फाइट विद दैट. सो ये काम करेगा सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम. सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम एक्साइट करेगा आपको so that you can fly away from the situation or you can fight with the situation. That work is going to be done by the sympathetic nervous system. Whereas when you are out from danger, जब आप डेंजर जोन से बाहर आ गए हो तो आपकी बॉडी को काम और रिस्टोर करेगा parasympathetic nervous system. So I will write over here, it will calm and restore the body back. Okay, when you will stop running, when you have reached a place where you are in a safe zone, there is no more danger behind you, बॉडी काम करेगी और रिस्टोर करेगी अपने सारे फंक्शंस को नॉर्मल पे. जो बॉडी ने इंक्रीज किए थे इन द फाइट एंड फ्लाइट रिस्पॉन्स, बॉडी हैड इंक्रीज्ड इट्स रिस्पॉन्स, इट्स फंक्शनिंग, अब उसको वापस लाना है एक नॉर्मल कंडीशन पे. सो बॉडी इज गोइंग टू काम एंड रिस्टोर. दैट वर्क विल बी डन बाय द पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम. ये नर्व्स ही रहेगी, ये मोटर नर्व्स ही हैं बिकॉज मोटर का ही पार्ट है ऑटोनॉमिक नर्वस सिस्टम. तो जब ब्रेन आपको सिग्नल देता रहेगा सिंपैथेटिक फॉर एक्साइटेटरी एक्टिविटीज, जब डेंजर आपके पीछे है, फॉर फाइट एंड फ्लाइट मैकेनिज्म. Once you are out of danger, brain is going to send signal to the parasympathetic nervous system. Now it's your time to calm and restore the body. हम इसको और एक वर्ड लिखते हैं, rest and digest. Rest and digest. So the sympathetic nervous system is going to work when you are in a flight mode, you are fight mode में हो, flight mode में हो, जब आप action के mode में हो, जब आप excited mode में हो. Parasympathetic nervous system is going to work when you are out of danger. You have come in a safe zone. The body is going to calm down. It is going to restore itself. रेस्ट करेगी, डाइजेस्ट करेगी अच्छे से, बिकॉज जब हम फाइट एंड फ्लाइट में थे तब हम डाइजेशन वगैरह पे ध्यान नहीं देते हैं। मेनली हमारा हार्ट, हमारा रेस्पिरेटरी रेट, हमारा ब्लड सर्कुलेशन, ये सब पे काम करती है बॉडी। बट व्हेन वी हैव कम बैक, when we have come back to a safe zone, the body is going to calm down, it is going to restore, it is going to rest and digest. So sympathetic nervous system के साथ danger zone MCQs। जब आप डेंजर जोन में हो सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम काम करेगा, जब आप सेफ जोन में हो पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम काम करेगा। जब आप सेफ जोन में हो, बॉडी की सारी एक्टिविटीज नॉर्मल रेट पे चल रही है, देयर इज नो डेंजर, पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम काम कर रहा है। जब भी कोई डेंजर वाली सिचुएशन आई, फाइट एंड फ्लाइट में आपको भागना है, तो sympathetic nervous system is going to act. So the autonomic nervous system, it is divided into sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Let us revise the complete classification. Human nervous system divided into central and peripheral. Central में आ जाएगा brain and spinal cord. Peripheral will again be divided into sensory and motor, depending on which nerves are they. All right. Now, the motor or the efferent nerves are again divided into somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Soma will be concerned with the voluntary actions, voluntary activities of the body, whereas the autonomic nervous system will be concerned with the involuntary, the visceral organs and the smooth muscles of the body. And the autonomic nervous system is again divided into sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम काम करता है जब बॉडी डेंजर में आ जाती है, पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम काम करता है जब बॉडी एक सेफ जोन में आ गई है, इट इज गोइंग टू काम एंड रिस्टोर एंड रेस्ट एंड डाइजेस्ट बैक। सो ऑल दिस इज अबाउट द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ द ह्यूमन नर्वस सिस्टम। So chalo, let us do one flowchart quickly. You do the flowchart with me so that you will understand the complete classification. All right? From my sensory organs, ये मेरे सेंसरी ऑर्गन्स हैं। फ्रॉम माई सेंसरी ऑर्गन्स दैट आर माई आईज, ईयर्स, नोज, टंग, स्किन। ओके, फ्रॉम माई सेंसरी ऑर्गन्स, nerves which are going to go to the brain and the spinal cord. Nerves which are going to go to the brain and the spinal cord. So this is my brain and spinal cord. This is the central nervous system. मेरा brain and the spinal cord. Nerves which are going to the brain and the spinal cord will be comprising my peripheral nervous system. And this, because they are taking the stimulus to the brain, they are taking the information to the brain, ये हो जाएंगी मेरी sensory nerves. ये हो जाएगी मेरी sensory nerves, जो brain और spinal cord के पास information लेके जा रही है. These will be my sensory nerves. Now let us do one more set. Now the brain में और spinal cord में processing होगा इस information का. This information which reaches is going to be processed and it is going to be coming down from some other set of nerves which will be the motor nerves. So these will be my motor nerves. Again these motor nerves will be my peripheral nervous system. Because center पे brain और spinal cord is the master control. It is going to do the control. All right. It is going to coordinate. पेरीफेरी से जो भी आएगा, आ रहा है तो सेंसरी, यहाँ से वापस जाएगा पेरीफेरी ऑफ द बॉडी. दिस इज द पेरीफेरी ऑफ द बॉडी. दिस इज पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम. दिस इज द सेंटर ऑफ द बॉडी. दिस इज द सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम. दैट इज ब्रेन एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. ये मोटर नर्व जो आती है can be divided on where they are coming, which effector organ they are coming. They can be divided into one somatic and the other autonomic. सिग्नल अगर मेरे स्केलेटल मसल्स पे आ रहा है, मेरे स्केलेटल मसल पे आ रहा है तो ये सोमैटिक होगा. सिग्नल अगर मेरे स्मूथ मसल्स पे आ रहा है तो ये ऑटोनॉमिक होगा. सिग्नल अगर वॉलेंटरी है तो ये सोमैटिक है. अगर इनवॉलेंट्री है तो ये ऑटोनॉमिक है. So the peripheral nervous system will have the sensory nerves, the motor nerves. ये motor nerves कौन से effector organ पे काम कर रही हैं? Which are coming from the brain. Okay, these are coming from the brain and the spinal cord. So let's have these arrows. Whereas these are going to the brain and the spinal cord from the various organs of the body. This will be divided into somatic and autonomic nervous system, and एक्टिविटी या ऑर्डर एक्साइटेटरी है, फाइट और फ्लाइट का है कि वो रिलैक्स और कूल डाउन का है, रेस्ट एंड डाइजेस्ट का है. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट दिस ऑटोनॉमिक नर्वस सिस्टम विल अगेन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू सिंपैथेटिक एंड पैरासिम्पैथेटिक. So sympathetic के साथ I will write only one word which will make me understand कि क्या है वो danger zone में है body, and parasympathetic के साथ body safe zone में है. So safe zone में the body is going to relax and restore and rest and digest. Danger zone में body is going to be in a fight and flight mechanism. So this is how we sum up the classification of the human nervous system. Along with this, we have also seen about the cranial nerves and the spinal nerves. We have seen the number of the cranial nerves and the spinal nerves, and that is how we have the total number of the peripheral nerves in the human body, which will make up the peripheral nervous system.